today in this video we're going to talk about Let It Be by the Beatles. So the song is in the key of C and it's in common time. So 2 strums for C, 2 strums for G, 2 strums for A minor, and 2 strums for F. So each chord will have 2 counts. So again, C, G, A minor, F. Second line, C, G, F, E minor, D minor, C. So you have to practice that. Again. So I'm using this kind of F instead of bar chords. Sometimes I use a bar chord, but in this situation I do this so easily. I can move transition to E minor, D minor, C. So if you got that right, it's C, G, A minor, F, C, G, F, E minor, D minor, C. So those are the chords of the intro and also the verses. So that's done. Okay, so next is the chorus chords after playing going to the chorus, first chorus, A minor, 2 counts or 2 strums, then G, 2 strums also, 2 counts, and then F, and then C. Alright, 2 counts each, and then repeat C, whisper words of wisdom, G, 2 counts, Let It Be, F, E minor, D minor, C. That's it. Okay, so far we have A minor, G, F, C, C again, C, C, G, G, F, E minor. Alright, now there's a bridge part where instrumental just before the ad-lib part. It's F, E minor, D minor, C. Just like the ending of each verse and chorus, right? You can play it from here, bar chord F, A shape, then E minor, D minor, C. Right. And then the next chord after that is B flat, then A minor, and then G major, then F, and then C. Alright, so it sounds like this. You can think of it like long, short, short, long, short, short, long, long, long. And then the ad-lib part is just the verse chords. G, A minor, F, C, G. Just repeat that. And then after that, it goes back to the chorus. Same thing, A minor, G, F, C, C again, C, G, Let It Be, F, E minor. Repeat that chorus again. A minor, G, F, C, C, G. Then we do that bridge ending chords. This here. B flat, A, F, C. So the style here to play it faster from B flat to A, I don't do this A minor. I kind of just do this one here.